Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to compare numbers. Before we begin, click on the link on the description section where you can download this place value chart, and don't forget to watch the video on how to set it up. Feel free to share the link. Now that you're ready, let's begin. We compare to determine if two or more numbers or quantities are greater than, less than, or equal to one another. So, how do we compare numbers? Some numbers are easy to compare. We know that 9 is greater than 4 because 9 goes after the 4, right? So 9 is greater than 4. We know that 3 is less than 8 because the 3 comes before the 8. But how do we compare bigger numbers? The easiest way is by using place value. Let's label the chart. It starts with the units, which would be ones, tens, hundreds. Then we move to the thousands. 1,000, 10 thousands, 100 thousands. This area is for the millions, and this is for the decimals. But let's keep it simple for today. Let's say that we have 375 and 915. The first thing is to look at the largest place value, in this case, the hundreds. 9 is greater than 3, so that means that 915 is greater than 375. Largest place value. 915 is greater than 375. We can also say that 375 is less than 915. The less than and greater than the less than and greater than symbols can be a little confusing for some. So when comparing numbers, it is safe to always check the place value first. Also, use your imagination a little. The less than and greater than symbols look like open mouths. Now, see here, 375 is less than 915. 375 is smaller, and if you look at the comparing symbol, it looks like the 375 is eating the 915. Same here. 915 is greater than 375. The small number is eating the big number. Bon appetit. Let's try another one. Let's say that we have 529 and 540. We look at the largest place value, which in this case is the hundreds, but both have a 5 on the hundreds place value. So we need to compare the numbers on the tens place value next. So if we look at the tens place value, we have 2 tens and 4 tens. 4 is greater than 2. So that means that 540 is greater than 529. 540 is greater than 529. Or we can also say that 529 is less than 540. You see how the small number eats the big number? Small number eating the big number. Last one. Let's say 723 and 725. We look at the largest place value, which is the 100. Both have a 7 on the hundredths place value. So we move to compare the tens place value, but in this case, they both have a 2 on the tens place value. So we keep going, and then we look at the ones place value, and then we have a 3 and a 5. We compare those three numbers. 5 is greater than 3, so that means that 725 is greater than 723, or you guessed it, 723 is less than 725. Yum! If you enjoyed this video and the content of this channel, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!